Welcome to Words Podium, the voiceful words.
Hello friends, how are you all? Today here I am again with my new poem titled We Always Deny. We deny for every new thing. It seems as if denial is our way of running away from the situation. We have consistently denied the threat of corona, and now even after a year and a half, we are struggling to deal with it. We deny our true feelings, we deny our real situation, and later on we face its consequences. So today here I have made a small attempt to define denial and acceptance, and also try to explain how it affects our lives. So presenting my new poem titled We Always Deny. We die, yes, we all die, but still we deny. That's why instead of living wisely, we only try to bargain for life. We all need love and care. We cannot live without it. But we always deny this fact and pursue freedom and wealth. Money can buy many things. Yes, I know, freedom gives you wings. But we deny this fact that it comes with a price tag and demands sacrifice. At the cost of stress and loneliness, which our unconscious mind deny. And consciously also we don't accept that it is the result of our own deeds. Sometimes the intricacies of life break us into pieces. But we keep choking inside thinking that asking for help would be our weakness. We keep struggling in our mind in day-to-day life, but we still deny that we need family and friends. Instead of saying, yes, I need you, we unnecessarily hide in shadow and deny to express our true desire, true feelings. Even though we feel bad about someone's action, we always pretend that everything is normal. But on the contrary, we actually begin to have grudges and deny to end this conflict with wiseful conversation. We afford to deny, but we don't try to realize we are normal human beings. We are full of emotions. We are not machines. We need people around us, but we deny social obligations. Denial means we are trying to cross the ocean, but we don't know swimming or sailing. We do not want to acknowledge that what is really happening. We deny our strength, we deny our weakness, we deny feelings, we deny facts. We deny someone's goodness, we refuse to appreciate. We also deny anyone's evil, we keep ignoring it. How can we be so insensitive? How can we be so careless when one day we will going to face its consequences? We deny our own action and blame others for reaction. When our denial leads to anger, we become hopeless for our situation. Then we surrender and we do not continue to strive. Regrets, depression, negligence are all form of denial. Until we accept reality, we will not be able to find a solution, and we will be stuck in the present. We will not find the way to the future. We deny for every new thing. We deny for every new thing because we do not want to break the bubble, but closing our eyes will not change the reality of our situation. Denial is our defense technique, but it does not last for long. The longer it takes us to accept this, the harder it will be for us to recover. Acceptance means you know very well what you are really feeling. So do not struggle alone, just state it clearly. Yes, I'm sad. Yes, I'm lonely. Yes, I need friends. Yes, I need family. We cannot change our circumstances. So it is better that we accept it. Only then we will be able to deal with our situation. So it is better that we prepare ourselves for it. Never suppress your feelings. You better express it fully. Why bother to fake a smile? Instead you cry wholeheartedly. Thank you.